Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we have another unboxing for you all, and this time this is a metal wallet which I had ordered from AliExpress. Now this particular wallet costed me around 1,300 rupees. Let's quickly see what you get inside the box. So you're greeted with this orange rubber strap. Let's keep that aside, and then you have this nylon braided cable. It's like a lanyard which you could fix to your wallet and you could carry it along. Let's keep that aside as well. And this is the actual wallet. Let me take that out of the cover. So this is how the wallet looks like. You have this black rubber strap which is already pre-installed. Let me remove that and show you how you could replace it. Now the reason why you could replace it is because it's an advantage where you could customize your wallet if you want. You have different color straps which is available on the seller's website. You could replace it and it's like a style statement. Now before I could fix it, let me show you how the wallet actually works. So you have two metal plates of aluminum. One goes on top of each other. And on top of that you have this rubber strap which covers and secures both in place. And you could pull the top plate out and you could keep your cards in. So let me fix this rubber strap. Let me pull this up. You just need to stretch it and you could fix it in. So all this rubber strap are available on the seller's website, and you won't be bored by using just one type of rubber. On this end you have this cool design which is like nuts riveted, and you have an artificial leather type of pouch where you could stretch, and if you want you could keep your money in, maybe like your 100-500 rupees, not just your cards. You can't keep your cards there, you can only keep some change or money. And on this end you have to pull the top plate and then you could keep your cards in. Now the top plate is going to be a little tight now because it's pretty new. And also this has a sturdy design. The build quality is of top notch. The reason why I bought this is because I keep my cards on my backpack, so it generally tends to bend. So if I keep the cards in this, it's going to be secured, and also this is made up of aluminum, so the NFC chips may not be easily read. And this is how you could keep put the lanyard, slot it in, and then you could pull the other end. I generally tend to prefer not use the lanyard because I carry it on my pocket, so this does not work for me. But yeah, if you carry it in a backpack, you could certainly use this one. Now I've been using these sort of metal purses for a long time. I have already used 3 purses now. I currently have 2 purses available. This is the one that I have been extensively using. It's the same design, but instead of a long rubber strap, you have 2 thin rubber bands sort of design. You could pull the top plate and you could keep your card. Now the only disadvantage in that is that you cannot carry any cash, but this one has a small pouch like design where you could carry money if you want to. And this sort of designs would not be useful for everyone, but if you are a person who use only online transactions or card-based transaction, you could certainly use these sort of wallets. And I generally use online transaction as well as card transaction, so I don't really carry money much, so that's the reason I bought this. And on the top you have this design which is similar to like a brushed aluminum. Feels very good, feels very solid in hand. I can certainly recommend buying this product if you're in these sort of metal purses sort of design. Now let me show you the capacity of this particular wallet. So I've actually put almost 7 cards in. It can hold a maximum of 7 cards. And on this end you still have places to keep your money. You can't keep cards there. So overall guys, I'm pretty satisfied with this. I have been using it for almost a month or so, and I can certainly recommend if you're in a market to buy these sort of metal wallets. So I'll leave a link in the description below from where you could purchase it. And if you like my channel, do subscribe to it and give it a thumbs up. And if you have any suggestions, do leave it in the comment section below. I'll also link the other wallets which I have been using. And thank you so much for watching, guys.